Hello. After being so many days, I blog on Tuesday. I think today's Thursday. I did a lot of cleaning, and today I took like very relaxing day. As you can see, playing my computer game, reading, watching videos, and just enjoying of my time off. This is a game that I play for years. Is World of Warcraft. I don't know if you can see it. There a little. And it's funny because this is a mage, and usually mages can do a lot of cooking and everything, and right now I can do like for feeding water and conjure bread. Some silly things, but it's fun for me. So I decided to think to do something. I have a book of cooking from World of Warcraft, and believe it or not, the food that they do in that book is amazing. I have done a lot of banana bread from the book that is so delicious, but I tried to do it without the oops, I came out to the wrong place. I tried to do it without the cream cheese, so it's not so much calories. Oops, the wrong one. Here's my flyer. Anyway, now I want to do another of the recipes. Will be nice. In that way I can enjoy of these. Let me see. Yes, this is mine.
Talk to me.
Are you flying?
Oh, wicked.
So, let me show you my book. This is the book. I have these for so many years. Can you believe all these is recipes that were inspired with World of Warcraft, and it has drinks, main courses, spices, everything. But what I want to do is I did this one. Oh my gosh, this banana bread is so good. And today I wanna do no fried bread. And they have also this. I can surprise my husband doing this. This one, crusty flatbread. So I have the recipe here. It's supposed to look like this. So let's go to do crusty flat. My husband is still sleeping, and I am trying to organize my things. I have all this because I want to finish what we were working on my planner, and I just washed this one yesterday, also all those ones, and I was thinking I tried my dress. I made this dress before, and I think it's a perfect size, but I have one dress that I have wanted to do so long time. Let me check. It's here. It's this dress. It can be also like that. So I think I will be doing this. I also got one of these. I have two of these, and one is cut. Which one is the cut? Okay, I found. So this one is the one that is cut already, and this is the one that is brand new. I'm keeping this safe because, you know, weight can go in and out. But I think this is a nice dress, and with high boots, and I don't know if I have enough for the long sleeve, but I will do maybe this. I can wear a sweater if I need. Yeah, that's a good one, and it's an easy one for what I remember. And let me show you how it's going with this. It looks like I still have one yarn, and I am almost done with the first sleeve. Means that maybe 5 yarns will be more than enough for this sweater. I hope so. That's so good. It's almost done. Almost done. I need to make breakfast now. My husband made bread. Oh, this is so good. So I think instead of doing my yerba mate, oh, and there is these are the ones that I did. Oh, they are so good. It has rosemary and salt. It's like a more salty treat, no, like so sweet. And this is the other one. Okay, so that's what I told my husband. We were between wrapping or not, and I noticed that when you put it back, it gets like this, but when you leave out, it's still hard. So I think I will make like always. Okay, breakfast.